Hi, my name is Terry Freeman. I'm the door shop manager for Charles McMurray Company, and I'm here today to show you a new product that is from L.E. Johnson Company. This is the new soft close for the JH111 series track on here. So the difference between the JH111 and the JH100 is actually the size of the wheel that goes in the track. The JH111 wheel is 3/4 inch. On the JH100 series, it's 1 inch. The soft close mechanism is new. It's rated at 110 pounds. You can add 1 or 2 to soft open and soft close, or you can just have it soft close one direction. The 111 track itself is rated at 150 pounds. With the ball bearing rollers, we also have nylon rollers that is rated at 80 pounds. Okay, now I'd like to demonstrate on assembling the soft close into the track. I would like to point out first to keep in mind, because these are tricycle wheels, meaning that there's 2 on one side, 1 on the other, that you want to have it balanced when you install inside the track. So what that means is you want to have 2 on the one roller and 1 on the other roller. And as you can see on the other side, you'll have 1 and 2. That keeps it balanced and from dragging. So we'll first insert the roller into the track, the single roller. I want to make sure that the soft close is loaded. This is not loaded, and so to load it, you simply slide it and it'll lock it in place. That is now loaded, ready to go, so that when it engages with the actuator, it will actually work. So now you slide in the soft close, and then you apply the actuator into the track. There are tabs here that mount to the top of the track. Keep it lined up and square. Simply slide it onto the bottom. Tighten it. So slide it over, it engages. You know everything's in the right position. So you want to disengage, and then now you'll bring the door over, and this is mounted on the top of the door. You slide it in, and then you rotate the clip to lock it in place. And we do the same thing on the back roller. Slide it in, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. Thank you for being here with me today as I demonstrate how to install the new soft close for the JH111 track. Should you have any further questions, please call us at Charles McMurray Company, where we have customer service people available to answer any questions that you might have. And of course, I'm always available for questions as well.